In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pop-up to your Squarespace website, ensuring you can easily capture the attention of your visitors with dynamic content. Before we dive in, let's get started by navigating to Common Ninja's website. Here, you'll find a wide array of tools that can enhance your website, including pop-up builders that will serve us well today. Once on Common Ninja's site, you'll want to look for the Widgets Plus section. This is where you'll find a variety of helpful add-ons designed to integrate seamlessly with your existing site. Navigate through the options until you find the area to type in your desired widget, in this case, pop-up. This search will bring up the Pop-up Builder tool, an essential feature for creating custom pop-ups tailored to your content and audience needs. After clicking on the Pop-up Builder link, you'll see the Create a Pop-up Builder option. Clicking this will take you into the editor, where you can start shaping your pop-up. This is where the customization magic happens. Feel free to play around with the visual elements to fit your brand style, or add call-to-action buttons that can increase conversion rates. Once you're happy with your design, click on the Publish button to make your pop-up ready for use. Remember to save your widget by clicking on Save Widget, and then choose the appropriate folder where you'd like to store it. It's good practice to keep your widgets organized, especially as you might want to use similar ones in the future. After selecting the folder, click on Save Changes. At this stage, the pop-up itself has been designed and set, but to have it appear on your Squarespace site, you'll need to integrate it using a bit of code. Don't worry, this is the easy part. Locate the Copy Code button and click on it to copy your pop-up's embed code. Now head over to your Squarespace website editor. Once there, you're going to look for the option to ADD block, as this is where we'll embed our pop-up. From the options provided, choose Embed. This will offer several different tools for embedding content, but look for the Code Snippet option and click on it, as this is the method we'll use to paste our pop-up code. In the Code Snippet section, click on the Embed Data area and paste the embed code you copied from Common Ninja. This is the crucial step that ties everything together and allows your beautifully crafted pop-up to appear on your website. Once the code has been pasted, don't forget to click Save. And that's it. Your Squarespace site now boasts a functional pop-up ready to engage and convert your audience. By following these instructions, you're now able to add pop-ups to your website seamlessly, enhancing user interaction and potentially driving more conversions.